The Smart Biogas app is a cloud-based platform created for organizations that want to monitor their biogas digesters, customer payments, and distribution. To get started, Inclusive Energy will send an email out to the user whose email address was provided during Inclusive Energy's registration process, with a link to accept the terms and conditions and set their new login credentials. Once you have your new login credentials, you can now log in to the Smart Biogas web application. The customer page provides an overview of all of your customers in one place. It is equipped with a map integration to show customer locations and provides a quick view of customer details such as name, device ID, installation date, digester type. You can click on any customer and view their personal details as well as their digester details. You can also edit either of these or delete the customer altogether. You can view your customer's digester data under the Digester Data tab of the customer you have selected. It gives you live updates of your customer's digester status. You can view pressure, flow, and gas consumption data over a selected time range to check whether the digester is performing as expected. You can also download their metered data. The summary table allows you to compare the key statistics over different periods of time, so you can spot trends and changes in the data. If your customer is paying for their digester over time under a financing scheme, the Payments tab allows you to keep track of their payment plan and the repayments they have made. You can also view a summary of your customer's payment history, add or remove credits, and download their payment data. The Timeline feature allows you to log notes, repairs, and customer feedback when interacting with the customer or their digester. Some entries are automatically created, for example when you replace a customer's Smart Biogas device. This can be viewed and edited by all of your team members. If you want to register a new customer, you have to fill in the customer details forms. This includes their basic information and contact details. If your customer is paying for their digester or appliances under a financing scheme, the Payment Plan form allows you to select your customer's payment plan, down payment, and the total cost. The System Details form is where you fill in the serial number of your customer's Smart Biogas device and their digester setup. And finally, a Location form where you input your customer's location automatically using your device's location or manually. If you want to view or update your profile details so your team members can contact you, you can do so on the My Profile page. My Organization comprises of a number of settings that affect your whole organization. The Profile tab allows you to view and edit your organization's profile details. You can replace the Smart Biogas logo with your organization's logo. Keep your organization's name up to date, as this is used in communications with your customers. But remember, changing the country will affect the currency used across the Smart Biogas platform. You can also provide your company's contact details for Inclusive Energy to easily get in touch with you. Under the Team tab, you can invite additional members of your organization to have access to the platform. When creating a new team member, an email will be sent to the email address provided with a link to set their password. You can give them different access levels as an administrator, technician, or an observer who can view but not edit the platform. Under the Configuration tab, you can adjust some organization-wide settings. Labels allows you to create custom groups and to categorize your customers together based on similar aspects, such as digester size, location, or whatever label suits best for your group. You can then search or filter by the label name on the customer page. If you are working with a partner organization, you may add them to your platform so they can view your customers' digester data and payments on their platform but can't edit any of it. You may wish to invite them to your platform if you are part of a state-sponsored program or wish for another organization to have oversight over your platform for another reason. Under the Customer Support tab, You can fill in the contact details, which will be available to view on the SB Home application for your customers to get in touch with you for any support. You have the option to set any of the following contact preferences for them to get in touch with you: SMS, phone call, WhatsApp, and email. Under LPG settings, you can add the local cost of LPG. This is used to calculate cost savings of biogas compared to LPG, to be displayed to your customers using the SB Home application. The Payment Plans feature allows you to design payment plans based on your business model or your customers' needs. These could be time-based payment plans or usage-based plans, and they are easily assigned to your customer. The payment platform allows you to record customers' payments, keeping your financial records in place. And finally, Smart Biogas offers a REST API that allows access to your data directly in order to use it with other software. The API keys can be managed here. Smart Biogas enables performance insights, asset management, pay-as-you-go, and provides greater transparency for the biogas sector in general, fostering confidence for all stakeholders and engendering growth.